On October 13, 2024, SpaceX turned science fiction into science reality with a test flight that felt like a scene from a movie. This wasn't just a rocket launch, it was a masterclass in engineering and a glimpse into humanity's future among the stars. Standing as tall as a 40-story building, thundered into the sky from SpaceX's Starbase in Texas, the Super Heavy booster, with its 33 powerful engines, provided an explosive start, pushing the spacecraft closer to the stars. But what made this test flight truly historic wasn't just the liftoff, it was what happened next. 7 minutes into the flight, the massive Super Heavy booster performed a ballet in the sky, descending gracefully back to the launch tower, and the cue, the jaw-drop, it was caught midair by SpaceX's now iconic chopstick mechanical arms. This wasn't just a landing, it was a capture. A feat that seemed impossible just a few years ago, now achieved with precision and control. Meanwhile, the upper stage of Starship embarked on a journey halfway around the Earth. Its 6 Raptor engines roared to life, propelling it into orbit before re-entering the atmosphere and splashing down in the Indian Ocean with pinpoint accuracy. This marked another crucial step toward SpaceX's vision of creating a fully reusable spacecraft capable of taking humans to the moon. Mars and beyond. This test wasn't just about reaching orbit. It showcased the culmination of years of innovation and improvement, from a redesigned heat shield to upgraded aerodynamics. Every inch of Starship has been optimized for the extreme conditions of space and re-entry. Each flight has been a stepping stone, from fiery failures to inspiring recoveries. Flight 5 represents SpaceX's boldest leap yet toward making interplanetary travel a reality. With NASA's Artemis program counting on Starship for its lunar missions, and Elon Musk's dream of a Mars colony on the horizon, this test flight proves that we're closer than ever to rewriting humanity's place in the cosmos. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. This is the story of a dream, a team, and a rocket system that's changing the world.